When in doubt, you can't find nothing going over the road, do something local. What do you say?
I gotta run up in the front real quick to get some paperwork, but I'll be right back.
Okay, no problem. You know what I'm saying? I was being cool. He interrupted that, you know. But look, found something local real quick. You know, I'm gonna go down here to Orlando, from Jacksonville to Orlando. Pretty good load, paying pretty good. You know what? I might run local, man. Florida loads local pay. Florida loads local pay. I'm starting to notice that, man. What y'all think? Should I go over the road or run local? Talk to me. I don't know. Florida roads loads locally been chopping it up now. But yeah, they over there. 6 pallets. I grabbed something else going down there. Mama. Easily 1,000 a day. Oh, did I just say numbers? I ain't say that. Take it back. What's up, y'all? What's the deal? What's the deal? It's your boy Lando. Yeah, I am the man. Hey, look. I wasn't even gonna make this video, but I say, look, I'm gonna share all my experience with y'all. This channel gonna get real. You know what I'm saying? You know who we work for. But check this out. Y'all ready for it? Alright, let's go. I've been at this shipper site for the last 4 or 5 hours. Crazy, right? 4 or 5 hours. I'm putting my AirPods. I know you hear me better like that. 4 or 5 hours, man. I'm gonna tell you what happened, man. The truck won't roll over. It's not the starter. It's cranking. It's not the battery. I got power. But I did see, I don't know what that thing called. But it was spewing a little water, and one of the guys around here came out, he checked it. He was a mechanic, I guess. I don't know. But he said, look, it's your fuel filter. No, fuel's not coming through. It's something with your filter. And that brought me back into last week, man. Last week I got my oil change in Pennsylvania, and I never do that. I always get my oil change at home. But this time when I was home, I had like 3,000 more miles to go. So I said, all right, bet. I'm just changing on the road. But the issue with that was I'm trying to change it on the road. Nobody has filters for my truck. Like, and if they do, they have like 10 days wait. So I finally got the one in Pennsylvania, which was my stop. I needed to change my oil bad. The night before, the guy was like, yeah, we don't have those filters or no cross filters. So the next morning they called me. I'm like, dang, first thing ain't no filter. Yeah, TA. Yeah, we talking about you. Pennsylvania. Yeah, you see me. I got my fan. You know your boy hot. So they said they found some cross filters, whatever. You know what I mean? Back to that. So they said they found some cross filters. I was like, cool. They're changing it. So do the whole 9, make sure everything. Did that. But I was like, someone would tell me like, why is that guy? It pretty much took all day, but it was a Sunday anyways. I'm chilling at the truck stop. You know, I'm sure y'all seen the video before this. I'm like, okay. Going on. The guy, he working on it forever. I'm like, dang, what the heck is he doing? So when I finally got my truck, I heard like a ticking sound. I'm like, what the heck is that? Now what I should have did, where I went wrong, I should have said, nah man, y'all gotta check that out, man. That my truck wasn't doing that ticking sound. But me being so, I guess, tired, just wanted to just chill. Alright, cool. Yeah. So a week later, here I am. From I got my truck was driving different. I said, man, what this dude did on my truck, man? I automatically felt like he did something wrong. But as I was coming home, a check engine light came on. The bomb didn't went off. So okay, that ain't that. I brought it to my another truck stop. But I couldn't get the Freightliner. Freightliner was like 2 weeks. And check it out. They say check it out. They say something like a nod sensor or something like that. Something I could wait on. I guess I bet. I'm good, ain't that too crazy. So now I'm here, Jayville. Got a load, pick the load. Let's load on my truck right now. Right now. to load on my truck right now. And drove here. Trying to crank up. It's like the check engine light on. I'm like, what the heck? I turn it off, turn it back on. It gonna go just going on further. Then I open the hood, I see like water, a little bit of water coming. I'm like, what the heck is that? The dude came out, he checked it out for me. Said, yeah, man, something with your fuel filter, man. Probably could be your fuel. The other dude said could be your fuel or something with your fuel line, something. I don't know, fuel injector, something like that. So that's where we at with that. I called TA, they supposed to be coming out. They told me they'll be here 3 hours, like 4 hours. Man, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. They ain't here yet. So I've been in here chilling, man. When they gonna tell y'all about this? I don't like telling people my business, but y'all my business now. This trucking business is y'all business. Not to my. So yeah, that's where we at with it, man. I'm just here chilling. I ain't mad. I ain't mad at all. Of course I'm human. Yeah, it's a little earned there, but I try to take everything to a positive way. I also take it as that's the way of the Most High telling me, Yahuwah, be still. Be still. So for whatever reason I'm here for that reason. Maybe the dude, the mechanic who coming to check my truck. Yeah, back again. Like I was saying, maybe the guy who's coming to check my truck, maybe I have a word for him. I don't know. It all depends how the Most High uses me. It might not be for him. It might be for me. He might have a word for me. You know, the name of my business is Kingdom Business. When I say Kingdom Business, we talking about the kingdom. When I say kingdom, we talking about the kingdom. We ain't talking about all the other kingdoms. We talking about the real kingdom. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely got to stay in line with a name like that. Kingdom Business. I have to move like this is Kingdom Business. Maybe I got to tighten up on certain things. He's doing this to catch my attention. You understand? Yeah, man. So who knows, man? We just take it as it is, man. It is what it is. This was supposed to happen. It's another day, another million. You know, it's our kingdom business I do. So still waiting on the mechanic, man. Still waiting on the mechanic. I'm out here, but I'll tap back in with y'all, man. I ain't mad. I'm a little, but I ain't like sad or nothing, man. Like it's no need to be like stressing. It ain't gonna make no difference. It ain't gonna make no difference. I'm just here, man. I'm chilling, man. Understand? Got my fan blowing. Got my fan blowing. I'm chilling, man. Understand? So we here. Check back in with y'all when they get here, man. I'll let y'all know what's going on with me. You feel me? What's up, y'all? You know, you see where I'm at. Got a nice little sink. You know, let me turn this camera around. See where I'm at? I'm in the hotel, so you know what that means. It's either truck stuck or truck stuck. But yes, you're right. The truck is stuck. So I'm now in the hotel. The truck, the mechanic never made it out, man. I guess they was busy today. They was busy today. He said they was busy today, and they kept telling me, they told me 3 hours at 1 o'clock. 5 o'clock, I called them back. They told me another 2-3 hours. The thing that happened was the place I was at, they closed. They have a gate. The gate automatically closed at 8:15. So I had to get up out of there, man. Long day, baby, long day. So I had to go where I'm at right now, to the hotel. But I'm at ISG, you know me. I'm an ISG kid. I got plenty of points with ISG, so you know what you pay is not what I pay. Cause I'm the man around here. So yeah, I had to catch a quick little lift over here. The lift now took forever. Oh my gosh, the lift took like 40 minutes. And it was like 5 minutes away. All right, first it was like 10 minutes, then 9 minutes. Then they switched driver to another one, 15 minutes. I'm like, yo, what's going on? It took like 40 minutes. Real talk. But the hotel was really like 5-6 minutes around the corner. So yeah, I'm here at the hotel. So tomorrow, the people are gonna come out. I should be first in line. They're gonna come out tomorrow 8 in the morning. I'm gonna go over there, meet them over there. They're gonna fix the truck. We're gonna speed that into existence. You feel me? They're gonna fix the truck, and I'm gonna drop my load off to Orlando. I'm gonna find a hot load going to Texas. I'm gonna say about $3,000. You heard? Yeah. If you believe, let me know you believe. Let me know you believe. I believe. So that's that. God is good. God is good, man. God is good. Somebody walk to the store real quick, man. Go give me something to drink. Cause I haven't really drunk that much water all day, really. You know what I'm saying? And I used to drink a gallon a day, and I drank water this morning when I worked out, which was like a quarter of like a 16-ounce bottle. So yeah. That wasn't no 16-ounce bottle. That was a big bottle. Whatever it was, I don't know. But it was that. Somebody walked the store real quick. Y'all walk with me, man. Y'all getting live today. This is gonna be a long video. Y'all gonna get it all. Just 10 minutes and turn got a little gym in the hotel, so you know I can get it. Whew. Good 10-minute cardio. What's about? Yes, sir. It's about. I don't got much time this morning. Like in 10 minutes. Know what I mean? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's breakfast. Breakfast was horrible. They ain't had no hot water. Nothing. Grandma made tried to make this one. She went to the back. I don't know. I gotta go put it in the microwave, man. But it's breakfast though. This is all you need. That's all you need. No sugar, by the way. Less carbs. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we ready to get active now. Oh, what you got up there? Oh, you know we in go mode. Anytime you see the green, you know it's go mode. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Check him now. Ready to go. Check. I ain't gonna show the toes. I'm here. This might be a long video, y'all. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in every move, everything that's going on until the Uber over here from the hotel, you know. Waiting on Canada to arrive. You know, it's like 8:54. It's supposed to be at 8. I know, but I've been waiting since yesterday at 1 o'clock. You did? Now they trying to find out everything. They should be trying to find it out from last night, man. Like, dang. So yeah, man, I'm just ready to go, man. I know. The Most High definitely gonna bless me. There's a learning, something to learn in this situation. I know one thing that I noticed I did, which is probably the reason he did this. The Most High did this, right? I tapped into my word even deeper. I tap into my word every morning, but I tapped in, you know. I definitely got my relationship definitely has to get closer, get better. There's room. There's still room to grow. Kingdom business, so you know the business is kingdom business, so we have to move with kingdom principles. And maybe I wasn't moving like that, you know. Not perfect. There's a learning. There's something to learn out of all of this, man. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I have a word for the mechanic. Maybe the mechanic have a word for me. You never know. Everything's for a reason, man. But yeah, man, we waiting on this mechanic. It's hot. Hot. You see the sheets over there? Paperwork right there. All I have right there. You know, we in go mode. go mode, but yeah, man. That's it. We waiting. Well, yes, y'all. Truck came back up. I still need to bring it home because that engine light is still on. Apparently, what happened was they say the water, something with the fuel filter. The guy didn't clean it out, drain it out all the way, so it was clogged up, which is the reason why. Okay, I'm gonna go home and take care of this. I don't want this to happen again because I don't even know how much money I'm about to spend. But that's where we at with that. Yep, and I don't know if they're gonna give me a discount because that's what they're trying to figure out right now, because the guy who did my oil change was them, not them Pacific, but in a different state. So they're trying to figure it out right now. Because what they were supposed to do, they're supposed to call before they come out, but they never called the other TA. But grateful, I'm happy that it came on. You know, I'm happy. AC ain't blowing again. It's blowing, I don't even know. But yeah, I'm just grateful that it came back on. I'm happy, man. Drop this load off, see if I can find another load. Feel me? Yep. That's where we at with that. Alright, y'all, well, the load was delivered. I never really got a chance to record it, but the load was delivered successfully. And I also found 2 loads going back to South Florida, bring me right home, one to Miami and one to Tamarack, Florida. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, man. It's your boy Lando. So, go on top of a power shop. I see different loads there, man. Look at the separation. You see that? What's the separation? That bar. Look at that, man. Stop playing with me. Partial. I do it. I'm sure them if you really do partial, it's still on. Yo, this all Florida right here. Work, we at work. No chicken now, jerk.